Here is a script that meets all the requirements. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the best products out there. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my experience with the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5800. This incredible printer has left me in awe of its quality and features. Trust me when I say it's a game changer. First off, let's talk about the savings potential here. You might have heard that using this printer can save you up to 80% on ink costs compared to standard capacity color laser toner cartridges. And it's true. With low-cost replacement ink bottles, you can print with just pennies per page, about 2 cents for each color ISO page, whereas with cartridges it's around 14 cents per page. That's a significant difference, and it really adds up over time. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the cost of the ink bottles themselves? Well, here's the thing. These high-yield ink bottles are designed to last, and they're priced very competitively. In fact, each replacement ink set includes enough ink to print up to 7,500 pages black and 6,000 color pages, which is a huge amount of printing power right there. And with the cost savings you'll enjoy, it's not hard to see why this printer has become the one best-selling Supertank printer. One of my favorite features of this printer is its fast print speed. Powered by Precision Core heat-free technology, you can expect blazing fast prints, up to 25 ISO ppm black, with no warm-up time for that first page out. That's right. This printer gets going faster than your morning coffee. But what really sets the EcoTank Pro ET-5800 apart is its print quality. Using Epson DURA bright pigment-based ink, you'll get crisp, vibrant prints in both black and white and color, perfect for creating instant dry borderless prints up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches. And with zero cartridge waste, you can print with confidence knowing you're doing your part for the environment. I also want to talk about the set of replacement bottles that come with this printer. They include enough ink to get you started right away, and they're very easy to fill. Just grab a bottle, twist it on, and you're good to go. With this feature, you'll be less likely to experience those frustrating out-of-ink moments. Another feature worth mentioning is the paper capacity. This printer has 2 front trays plus a rear feed for specialty paper, giving you plenty of room to print all sorts of documents and projects without needing to refill or switch paper too often. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about the cost of this printer itself, but trust me when I say it's worth every penny, especially considering all the savings you'll enjoy over time. As an added bonus, Epson is offering a 2-year limited warranty with registration for this printer. And, as part of their promotion, they're including a set of replacement ink bottles with your purchase, which includes enough ink to print up to 7,500 pages black and 6,000 color pages. Before I wrap things up, I just want to mention one important safety note. Please make sure you only use pigment-based inks with this printer. Using dye inks can cause damage that's not covered by the manufacturer's warranty, so be sure to follow Epson's guidelines carefully. That's all from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5800 as much as I have. If you're interested in learning more or even getting your hands on one of these amazing printers, be sure to check out the link below for the best price.